Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2012 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, fourth passenger door, power third passenger door, FWD, privacy glass. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.